Has someone told you, loved one, friend, that you have too many tools? Now, before you want to run them over with your well-maintained vehicle, which in my opinion is a reasonable reaction, you have to stop and think. Number one, do I want to go to jail? No. No. Okay. Now, they might have a point. You have 10, 20 different types of the same tool, like sockets. Now, I just ordered a new socket set. My wife said, oh, you have these two plus out in the shed. What do you need more for? Well, I tell her, well, in another smaller socket set, I've lost a 7mm socket. Now, I'm not crying about it because, I got plenty other socket sets to get a 7mm socket from. But if that was my only one, then yeah, that would be a problem. So I tell her, yeah, I need it. I'm sure you tell people you need it. Do you really need it? Yeah, you do. Don't let anyone tell you you don't need it. It's a tool. You can never have enough tools. Am I right? Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.